Check, check, check. Hello there. Let's see how to add checkboxes in Excel. So I have this to-do list and I need to add checkboxes to the status. So to do that, you can right click on any of the tabs here and then click on customize the ribbon. So when you've gotten this interface, click on developer, then you click on OK. So now the developer tab is here. So click on the developer tab and then you see insert. Click on insert and then you see checkbox here. So you click on checkbox. Then when you come to the status or wherever you want to include the checkbox, you drag and create a space by holding and dragging your cursor. And then now you have checkbox. You can always resize it. So I don't need any other comment here. So I'm just going to get rid of this checkbox. Just highlight it and delete. And then enter. Drag it down to fill out the remaining parts. Now you have your checkboxes. So you can just click and select any one that you want, or you can click again to remove it. Thank you. Please follow for more.